Well, hi, this is Ken with Village Green, and we had quite a week last week. We had temperatures down to zero, and we stayed very, very cold for most of the week. And then added on top of that, we had several inches of snow on our grass, which I don't ever recall seeing those two combinations together. The last time we saw temperatures that low was back about 30 years ago. So the question is, what's happened to our lawns? How's that going to impact those? The short answer is we don't quite know because we haven't seen that combination before, or not in a very, very long time. But this is my best guess. So for Bermuda, typically speaking, nothing bothers Bermuda. It may be a little bit slow in coming out of dormancy, but it's probably fine. So the next grass would be zoysia. That grass is pretty new. It was not around here 30 years ago, so I'm not quite sure how it's going to impact it. It does sometimes have some cold damage, so we'll have to see. And then St. Augustine, that's a tropical plant, and you would think that it would have a hard time with all that cold weather, and it might have. But a couple of things may enter into it. Number one, as I mentioned a minute ago, we haven't had snow on the ground like that before, and my hope is that that snow blanketed the St. Augustine and the zoysia and protected it. There's a pretty good chance that it did. And if that's the case, then the ground temperature may not have gotten quite so cold to damage the roots. The other thing that St. Augustine has going for it is if it was healthy, I've seen this many, many times over the years. If it was healthy last year headed into the fall, then a lot of times with really severe cold weather in late March and into April, it looks pretty bad and looks like it may have died out, may need to be replaced. But then if the root system is strong, then it will usually spring back sometime around late April on into early May. And that's my hope for the grass around here, is that both the zoysia and the St. Augustine, maybe they were protected by the snow, but also we kept it healthy enough with our good watering program over last summer that I'm guessing that it's going to bounce back and recover again if it was healthy last year. So that's my best guess as to what probably will happen with the St. Augustine and the zoysia and the Bermuda. But the real answer is we'll know better sometime around late April or early May, because that's when we've had enough warm weather to really know whether the grass is coming back or not. So this is Ken with Village Green. If you like these videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and share these with your friends.